Welcome to another episode of CUET Current Affairs. Question 1. Where were previous Anmesha festivals held? A. Patna, Muzaffarpur. B. Delhi, Mumbai. C. Shimla, Bhopal. D. Kolkata, Chennai. The correct answer is C. Shimla, Bhopal. The previous editions of Anmesha were held in Shimla and Bhopal, and the current one is the third edition. Question 2. When was the dragonfly count first conducted? A. 2018. B. 2020. C. 2022. D. 2024. The correct answer is A. 2018. The count began in 2018 across 3 parks and has been annual since 2022. Question 3. Which ministry issued the PM E-Drive guidelines? A. Ministry of Road Transport. B. Ministry of Heavy Industries. C. Ministry of Power. D. Ministry of Environment. The correct answer is B. Ministry of Heavy Industries. The Ministry of Heavy Industries released the guidelines to ensure uniform standards. Question 4. What is the target age group for Navya beneficiaries? A. 12 to 15 years. B. 16 to 18 years. C. 18 to 21 years. D. 10 to 16 years. The correct answer is B. 16 to 18 years. The program targets girls aged 16 to 18 years with minimum class 10 qualification in underserved or tribal areas. Question 5. Which city is seeing an influx of foreign universities? A. Bengaluru. B. Mumbai. C. Delhi. D. Chennai. The correct answer is A. Bengaluru. Bengaluru hosts Imperial College of London and has agreements with Liverpool and Wolverhampton universities. Question 6. Where was the harbour phase of Jal Prahar 2025 held? A. Kakinada. B. Chennai. C. Visakhapatnam. D. Kochi. The correct answer is C. Visakhapatnam. The harbour phase was conducted at Visakhapatnam, focusing on troop integration. Question 7. What type of radar system does NISAR use? A. L-band SAR. B. X-band SAR. C. C-band SAR. D. S-band SAR. The correct answer is A. L-band SAR. NISAR uses an L-band synthetic aperture radar provided by NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory. Question 8. Which organization is assisting BSF in developing drone-mounted radar systems? A. DRDO. B. BEL. C. HAL. D. ISRO. The correct answer is D. ISRO. ISRO is collaborating with BSF to develop drone-based radars for border surveillance. Question 9. Where was India's first maritime simulation center inaugurated? A. Mumbai. B. Chennai. C. Kochi. D. Visakhapatnam. The correct answer is B. Chennai. The center was inaugurated at AMET Knowledge Park near Chennai, strengthening maritime training infrastructure. Question 10. What is the construction timeline for the Kokrajhar-Gelefu rail link? A. 2 years. B. 3 years. C. 4 years. D. 5 years. The correct answer is C. 4 years. The Kokrajhar-Gelefu link will be developed over 4 years, while Baranhat-Samaste takes 3 years. Now let us look at a practice question. Who headed the first Public Service Commission in 1926? A. Lee Commission. B. Sir Ross Barker. C. Vikram Misri. D. Lord Krishna. S. Ross Barker headed the Public Service Commission in 1926 under colonial rule. Please provide your answers in the comment section.
अब एग्जाम की तैयारी को और बेहतर करने के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें।